Hello guys! In this video, you will learn how you can add image caption on Google Docs. To start, just open any document or picture that you want to add a caption. For example, this one right here. Now what we can do is just to tap on the image, and then at the bottom you can see these options. Now I want to choose the first option. Now just tap on the option that you want. After that, you can now add any caption that you want for this image. And that is how you can add an image caption on Google Docs. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.